Before we begin this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon to be notified for my upcoming videos that I'll be uploading on my
Screening name, the real Gunburn. Fan SH Joy, congratulations. Yo Jim, long time no see, bro.
I've been dreaming on my head like I've seen
and today we have a first training of our wedding, first wedding dance. Yeah, not like just the first dance at a wedding.
Got a taste and a waste, bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till you
No, there is in general will be only 2 trainings. Good to see you too. How you doing, bro? This is 7x Monster Mash number 15. We decide to make this dance like professional straight away. To go to some professional dancer to create a dance there. This is a big second dance. The real Gunburn city dance. You have a numbers, odd even numbers, sex chaser, storm chaser, our 1-to-1 on the leap, up to 50x on up to 50x on the fly on the numbers. Right? Yeah. She got it. We even voted like some dress for registration for her. Because the registration we have it like on 20 of August. But the wedding will be on 20. Check it out, guys. 5 with a 10x to the block. 10x. Oh, come on. So close. Next segment we got to hear, guys. How was the family? How was life? Come on, let's go, everybody, guys. What about your ABC? How was your life? How was your weekend? And overall, what's new? Summertime, because for us, summer is like 2 days we had it like in July, 1 day we had it like in June. Let's go, everyone. Texas, 20, Jackson, 15, fired the ball in the hot spot there. Here comes the number 8, ladies and gentlemen. It's a hot spot.
Hot spot.
Hot spot, ladies and gentlemen, number 8. We gotta hear it. Let's go, everybody. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. This is slow. 3, 5, 7, 10. All right, 15. 15. On the bottom way out. Cross corners with a double. Number CD Wing Plus congratulations. What is it? 100 to the plot. Let's go, everyone. Been good. Lots of family gathering. Back to work soon. Good. Oh, I'm like so happy as well that we bought like tickets already to Thailand. Crazy. Nowadays, checking everything now on there and Phuket. I have a question actually to ABC about like Thailand. 16 10x to the flat battery charge actually we have there. Ladies and gentlemen. 16 gets here. Ready? Let's go. Let's go.
tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs.
Easy win, guys. X-Chaser was in the studio, 10x on the battery charger. Number 16. Let's go! Welcome to cameras, guys. Participate, enjoy time. Don't forget about it. Out to play. So, guys, yeah, everything was so close before that, right? But we got it. Let's go. Leaves number, so even number 6 chases. Some should be ABC. Should be.
Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day.
Question for you. Question.
Like a card.
Monster 7-1 Congratulations, guys. So I played 3 games right now. Great.